Many of us, when we are using Google Chrome browser, we usually go to the search bar and type in whatever information is required. And Google gives us the search results that is required for our information. Google has provided another feature in the search bar itself without requiring to type in the search bar. In this video, I will show you what is that one of the best feature that is provided by the Google to search for any information in the search bar. In the search bar itself, have you seen there is something called as a camera icon at the right end here next to the mic icon? This is called Google Lens. In this video, I will show you what are the different ways of searching using Google Lens. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Now let's get started. To search anything using Google Lens, click on the camera icon that you see here at the right end. Once you click on the camera icon, a Google Lens is opened up. The Google Lens, the first option that I see here is the translate. Now let me try this with one of the product that I have in my hand is Magic Masala. Do you see? I'm just trying to detect the language automatically what is there on the product. I'm trying to translate that into Kannada. So now what you see is it is detecting the language which is there in as Magic Masala. The same thing is getting converted into Kannada here. Do you see that masala? Show you another option which I have here is text. I will just check this with the same product that I have in hand. What I am just trying to highlight is Magic Masala word, and I will just click on this icon or take a photo of these words. Once I take a photo of these words, let me identify what this has captured.
84 Masala.
Did you hear that? Isn't this very interesting?
4.
To identify where all this particular word Magic Masala is being used, I will go to the search option and tap the shutter button to search that particular word. So once I click on that, it is actually searching for those particular results, and the same word where all it is being used, it is showing you the results here. Just in case if I need any help to do my homework, I can just go to Google Lens and write something on the paper. I can just take that picture. I can then go to click on this option here, and now it is searching what is this formula about here, and it is also suggesting what has to be done for that particular thing. I had just searched for a plus b whole square. What you see on my screen right now, it has expanded the square here, and it has given me the entire derivation of how this a plus b whole square is arrived at, and what is the final step that you see here. It is split into 5 different steps, and it has given me the final result as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Isn't this very interesting and fantastic feature which Google provides us in terms of Google Lens? Hope through this video I was able to provide you information on how to use Google Lens for different searching informations on your Google Chrome browser, you could also try with different options that you see here, like shopping, places, and dining. You could also. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos like these. Thank you. Bye bye.